Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create and send an email with an image attachment in Python. The step to get started are create an SMTP object for the connection to the server, and then log into your account, define the headers of your message and login credential. Create a MIME multipart message object and attach the corresponding header. Read and attach the image to the MIME multipart object message. We will finally send the message. Let's see how to implement in Python. First, I'm going to import from email.mime.multipart import mime multipart from email mime image import mime image from email dot mime dot text import mime text, and then I'm going to import smtp lib. And first we are going to create message object instance message by calling mime multipart. Now we are going to set up the parameter of the message from you need to use your email. I'm going to your email at gmail.com and message to is set to at gmail, to whom you want to send the email, and message subject email with image attachment. Now we are going to attach image to message body and message dot attach, pass in my image and pass in, and I'm going to pass in the file, and here you can pass in your image that you want to send. I'm going to use image in my current directory and its name is secret.png, and then call read function to read the image file. Now we are going to create server. Our server smtp lib dot smtp and pass in over here I'm going to use Gmail server, so I'm going to pass in Gmail server and port smtp dot gmail.com port 587 and server dot start TLS, and now we are going to add the login credential for sending the mail. I'm going to call server dot login and pass in our message from field from and pass in your Gmail password, your password, and now we can send the message via server. We can call server dot send mail, pass in message, and here from, and then message to, message to, and then message as string, message dot dot as string, and now we can quit the server by calling server dot quit, and then we can call print email sent successfully. Here we are missing the function syntax. Just going to save. And after we run our program, we can see email sent successfully. You can test it changing the parameters of the message using your user and your password in the login method credentials. I used my email and password in my code and I successfully got this email to my Gmail account. This way you can send email with attachment in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching. And here is the image that I got with my email.